guys, aka Big Block here at Creative Rods and Restoration. Well, today we have a water sanding party. Sometimes in a water sanding party, there's other things that want to come out and play, like body filler and things like that. So when they come out to play, we got to cover them back up with some primer, then wet sand it again. But that's what we're doing, taping up. Just because we don't like to spray over top of anything like that. And the reason why is because that will soak up color and it'll look like teetotal booby boo. So we don't do that. So we're getting it all cleaned up. That's what we're doing.
What y'all call her now?
How she do it?
Duck face.
We call her duck face? You know you gotta do it. You do a better job.
I can't do it.
Come on, you can do it.
And how does she wet sand again?
Do it. Then we look at her, she
I
goes,
feel like I'm like, what's that old song? Stop. In the name of love, before you break my heart.
Take it over.
Stop. You gotta think it over. You gotta think it over,
You
folks.
gotta stop and think.
You gotta think it over.
Use your thinker. I mean your thinker.
So, you gotta tell them what you're doing here.
Did she do it
No,
again?
she was like, oh,
Alright, so, I don't know what to do with my hands.
Did you see what Sunshine just did? Walk right in front of the camera.
Don't do there.
I mean, you know,
my hand.
it's $1 million operation here. What's he talking about?
Oh, a body work both the sides and the top. Now we're getting ready for slick sand. I'm really nervous and I don't know what to do with my hands.
Hello, I am running the wires from inside the cabin to, I guess, along the frame rail, and then they'll go back to the tail lights, fuel pump, fuel sending unit, stuff like that.
Are you sleeping?
I wish I was, but I'm not.
What you got in your hair, man?
I got a,
You need a haircut.
I do need a haircut this weekend maybe. So I'm looking all fresh. You can't call me hair tie anymore.
Hey, are you getting it cut short? What you getting it cut?
Shorter, not that
Buzz
short.
cut? Huh.
It'd be ugly.
Whenever
Alright guys, we are about to spray JJ's Bronco. And they had some of the body guys in here and done the pre-clean. Kind of prepped it, taped it, wiped it down, tacked it off. Now I'm gonna come in here and kind of go back over, give it a once over, tack it off one more time, look at it, get my heart right, get my mind right, put the color down. So that's what we're gonna do.
Fun days. It's a big roof, Vince.
That is a big roof. There are lots of
wet sanding.
sanding to do to get it prepped and ready for paint.
That's right. We're gonna keep the Festa in the booth for a month with the Bronco and then the van. much needed paint though. We've been needing these to be painted, so. It'd be nice to have some stuff around here painted, won't it?
All right, guys, it's a beautiful day in Greenville. We've had about 4 days of rain, which we much needed. But we're gonna walk back here and see what Nate Dogg and Kristen are doing. I think they're getting the 66 C10 ready, polished up to deliver back to the customer. And Nate's probably working on the 55 Tri-Fi Chevy. Let's see what's going on here. Absolutely nothing. Kristen, I'm here.
Hey.
Are you making her pretty?
I am.
As you would say, you're taking what out of her?
Fat lady.
Taking the fat lady out of her?
Got
What-
to Professor T. Is that right?
Yep.
I gotta fix some of the stuff.
Ooh, ho, 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 ho.
I'm just kidding.
You starting on the hood first?
I started from this section
Yeah.
down.
Getting her ready to get back, huh?
Yep. I'm gonna work my way that way. And then somehow or another be able to reach this.
Oh, we're gonna have to get you another stool, huh? That's all of 5'1".
5'1". No shoes.
Where'd you just come from?
The trunk.
I thought you were not in here.
I was checking the airflow.
In a nap too? You taking a nap?
No,
Kristen, is he taking a nap over here?
I was making sure.
He's been awfully quiet. I didn't hear no tools banging, no wrenches, no pops, no
Well, I was making
no noise.
sure that if you put bodies in the trunk, they still had proper airflow to survive.
You got a trunk release from the inside?
No, it's old school.
Oh,
I thought I was up here by myself. I ain't seen you all day.
All day.
And she's been back here, huh?
Where did your shoes go?
Over there.
Well, from what you're saying is he's been quiet enough that he could have been taking a nap.
Yeah.
I work quiet like a mouse.
Hey, did you see that she walked into the camera? That means she's getting more used to it.
Maybe.
Maybe. What'd you say you were again?
A ninja.
Let's see what we got here.
What you got there?
Transmission cooler.
Is about
Oh yeah.
Not sure we need it though, because the radiator I just put in has a built-in transmission cooler.
So we switched the radiators on it, right?
Yeah.
Well, it's probably gonna have to go with the other radiator, correct? On the olds.
It had a transmission cooler too.
So wait a minute. This one might not. I forgot that we switched. No, this one does not, so we will need it.
Yep. Okay. The old radiator doesn't need a cooler. This radiator does need a cooler. So I'll
Getting
pull that
closer.
back out.
Got steering column in yesterday, steering wheel. Headers put on. Are you under this car again?
I am.
Or truck?
Yes. Ford F100. Finishing up the back side of the wiring, cleaning up all the wires, running it so it's not going to interfere with anything.
Looking up tail lights.
Yep, tail lights,
Yeah.
turn signals, brake lights, all that.
Bad boy on tape. So we can take it up to the assembly shop.
Oh, Professor T laid down that paint, didn't he?
Oh yeah. Got it looking right.
Nice, pretty oil pan. You got the exhaust already welded up or just mocked up in place?
Front portion of it's done. We just got the piping in to do the back half.
The back half?
Yep.
You got the drive shaft in. So what all you think you got left on it? You got fluids in it?
It's got oil in it. Haven't put any coolant in it yet. Travis still needs to wire the carburetor or the Phytech. And the gauges. That's about it.
And be about ready to start up, huh?
Uh-huh.
Nova is getting close.
Right now I'm making a bracket for the light control module and the fuse panel for the F100, so we can mount everything up under the dash and make it clean.
Overall, where you stand on the project? What you got left?
We just have to wire in the headlights and the headlight switch, and I think that's it for wiring.
Then we got to put the front right fender on or paint it.
Yep, got to fix the fender.
What else?
Got to put a gas door in it.
Bumper? Front bumper already been fitted, or does it need?
No.
It need fabrication or anything?
Yeah, we'll have to make mounts for the front bumper. But
And then figure out
and then the power windows with the single glass.
that one piece kit.
Yeah.
Plus we got to figure out seats.
Yeah.
We're gonna try the seats out of the Crown Vic. He wants electric seats, but ain't really much room for him to go forward or back. So I don't know really why we need electric seats, but I gotta go because I got a phone call. See ya. For the 74 Bronco. Yeah, you still got to put the clear on, but those should probably be finished up today.
You did it to me earlier.
What'd I do?
I was over here, I had this dripping. And when you step on that hose right there. Well,
what you got? What you
I was
got
out
on
here
here?
sanding. I was out here sanding in the sun. I said, I didn't go down there, man, down there at the dollar store and get one of them there sunscreens. And I didn't realize they made it in lotion form. I winded up with this. New fashion statement. I seen the construction workers and stuff doing it. And I thought, hey, man, my feet are already soaked.
Hey, you should do like Carter does. Just get down in your underwear and get shoes off and everywhere.
Look, you filming and we're trying to get followers. We don't want to get unliked.
Huh.
They might not like that too much.
Followers and like, yeah, you know.
Followers,
We done gave up on that.
like, share.
We just do what we do, right?
That's right. We do what we do and keep doing it because we do it. And it's what we do.
You know what we need to do right now?
What we need to do.
We need to go put that cover back on that impaler.
Oh man.
So, I see you on a new project now.
I am.
You've been itching to get on this thing, haven't you?
I have. This is what I like to do. Starting on this side, getting the jams, everything right. Still kind of camera shy.
Well, what you call that little hairdo you got there?
That's my little pigtails, like Minnie Mouse.
Oh, okay.
Hey.
What are you doing?
Sitting here.
Well, I know that.
You got 1 minute.
Flash time.
Yep. 4 coats clear. This will be the 4th one.
You, on the fenders and the
Does.
and the grill.
Not the grill, the dash.
How many coats of clear did you put on the body yesterday?
5.
5.
5. Wet.
Wet.
Heavy coats. Basically, I don't even go by coats. I go by how much sprayable liquid did we use. And it was about 20 ounces shy of a gallon.
That was just on the body, and
That
there
was
wasn't
on
much to paint on the
2
body.
quarters and some rockers. And, you know, that's a lot.
How much you used today?
I'm about to wipe out a whole gallon. Actually,
So that last
I will be
20%.
lucky to get done before I run out.
Yeah.
And that will be a gallon. That is 2 gallons, over 2 gallons sprayable. That's like 2.5 gallons, all said and done.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Looking good though.
Thank you. I need somebody to come out here and talk to me about this new service we're offering. I mean, I'm gone for half a day and we got a new service.
Yes, sir. Here at Creative Rods, I got me a golf cart because, you know, I had to make like 25,000 trips a day back and forth. So we got us a golf cart. Well, it seems to be, you know, since I got it back up and going, everybody just comes by and steals it. So we got the Uber that you can...
The Uber?
The Uber that is around.
That's a trademark though.
Yeah, but this is not just the Uber. This is the Goober.
The Goober?
The Goober taxi.
How's it work?
It's cheap. It's 25 cents a ride.
Round trip?
Nah, it's just point A to point B. You want to come back, it's another 25 cents.
Huh.
But
Got any
that's
made
a
any money
cheap
yet?
ride. Let's see.
You got Velcro on. And you got your little platform in there. I bet Nate Dogg made that, didn't he?
Look at his hood ornament.
Got rat stuff in the
That's the real rat, ain't it?
It's a real rat.
Oh my God, I didn't even know that. Oh, look.
We took damn Tom.
Oh! Where'd it come from?
Fayetteville.
Here, I'll get it out.
Look at. Ah!
Nate Dogg, now I know you're from Fayetteville, but you can't take that home to eat tonight.
Well, that was his last ride.
Oh,
Yeah. He said he was gonna pay for it. Pay for his ride. That's why he's been riding around all afternoon. Back to the goober ride. It's 25 cents a ride. Hey, you gonna ride the goober?
I'm getting ready to ride the goober, folks. Hey guys, this is Vince. We're going to do a recap of what we got done here at the shop this week. We got the S10 here. It's been tuned. Just got to do some minor checking on it, put some miles on it, see what we got to do. The Scout here, we're waiting on it to be sandblasted, I think on the 22nd. And we've got the frame painted and we've got the parts in now, so we're going to start putting the frame back together and new suspension parts. The F100 running and driving. We got to put the one-piece window kit in it, got to put seats in it, got to put vintage air in it, front bumper on it, tailgate, a couple other minor things there. The 71 Nova is close to being started, just doing some wiring on it, so it's getting close. See what else we got here. Got Kristen working on the 36 Ford, body working it. Got the van with the tops been water sand, still got to water sand the rest. We've got the doors, fenders, and dash painted and cleared for the 74 Bronco. Wet sand in the hood for the Bronco. Got the Ken Diggett fender flares out here ready. Looks like they need a little wet sanding done to them. It's important to have a good cameraman. Right there. It's Trey Howell Media.
So this is my Fun Fact Friday. I used to do beauty pageants. So, Jeremy,
Yeah, you
so
got
all the body shop people have beards, right?
Mm-hmm.
So,
beard. Beard.
Beards. Beards.
Down there?
Beards.
Beard.
Beards.
Yep.
beards.
She's got this intimidating look, and she like just knows how to question you. And I'll break down like a little schoolgirl and start crying. I used to be a dancer. I put it on them guns right there and lifted it up.
One in the trunk here. Oh, what are you doing?
I got my side done. I'm waiting on him.
Huh? Laying down on the job again, huh?
Well, yeah, it requires this.
Nate Dog. Let's talk about the Camaro.
Which one? I have two now.
What'd you say you were again?
A Ninja.